Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Trisha's World, where everything I slay. So pretty much today I'm just going to do another makeup video. It's going to be real quick. It's going to be real silent. I just did my curls, so if you guys want to know how I achieved it or whatever, I just have this band to keep my hair out of my face. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. First things first, like, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Have a lot of content, so you guys can check out my other hair videos. I do pretty much a lot, so whatever it is that you find interesting in my channel, that's interesting in my world, whatever you find that you like, it's fine by me. As long as you're supporting it, that's perfectly all right. Okay, so first things first, I am going to start on my eyebrows. I did not, absolutely not. The other day I shaped them somewhat, and you could see, and then I plucked them a little bit. So I'm going to use this Ellen Tracy pencil. It's from the eyeliner Ellen Tracy collection, so that's what I'm using. So I used one out of them, and I'm going to get started. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. It might be too light. Might be too light. I don't know. Yeah, this pencil is too light. Thought it was a darker brown, so we're not going to use that one. That pencil is too light, so I'm going to use another one. See, I'm as real and rawness as y'all get. I am trying it with y'all live. Well, somewhat live, but yeah. I'll just sharpen this pencil real quick. My apologies. Okay. That's why they say stick to what you know. So I'm going to I just have to make sure it's defined for me. So I'm going to keep working on making it darker. Okay. Alright. There you go. So I have worked on making it darker. And so what I'm going to use, of course, you know it, my Maite but not flat NYX foundation. My egg, and then you guys could see a little bit more of what goes on my face, because I had to get the hair out my face so you guys could see what's going on. Okay, and I have some extra ones, and then we're gonna blend. So hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, my apologies. Alright, so let's focus on one side. Let's focus on one side first. I may have to use my mirror so I can see what I'm doing a little bit more. The lighting is a little bit off to me on the camera. Now this is a first for me. I've never done it without my little broken mirror. I'm gonna look at it just to double check. Dot all my T's. Look at it real quick. I'm sorry. I just had to make sure I was good. And then, so I'm gonna go a little bit lighter in the middle, just a little bit. So like right around here. Okay, so I think it's pretty much okay, right? Everybody in the house is quiet. I told them. They just walked in and I was like, I'm doing a video. And they just got real silent. Okay, so now, y'all know, oh, before y'all don't say I didn't, I used a liquid foundation, but remember I tell you guys, if I want kind of like the highlights a little bit, I'll go a little bit higher with the lighting, give it like a little contour look. So I have a golden honey, and it's this one that I used, just to give it a little, I didn't want too much, just a little bit. Okay, so of course, you know me, my Intensify lash building mascara. That's what I'm going to use. Let's see if I could do it in the... I hope you guys can see that. I think you guys can see that. See that? Okay. So we have that. Okay. And sorry, get this out of the way. I like to make sure that everything is right. So you gotta make sure that these, when you guys use these blending brushes, you gotta make sure you guys blend all the way. My brown girls, my fair white skin girls, the whole nine. You have to make sure you blend. Get all underneath there. You don't want to look like you got a mask on and you need to take your mask off, right? Anyway, yeah. Alright, I'll be right back because I have to get some more makeup, so I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So, I had to get more, I had to go find this, but I wanted to use red today because I always put on other shades of lipstick, so I wanted to use red. So I'm going to use my red lipstick, but it's the Moisturizing Lip Crayon Tint by JB. But before I do that, you know I gotta play with colors. Alright, so you know it wouldn't be me if I didn't play with my colors. So I'm not gonna take too much of y'all's time. So okay. Remember, I play with colors, y'all, so you should try it too. So y'all could always notice that I always start with one side first, and it's always the inner side, because if you start with this part, you can always work your way out. So that's what I do. I start in and I work my way out, playing with different colors. Yes, I added the red. Let's see that. And so, let me just clean that up a little bit. Okay. And I might add a little bit more just to give it, bring that out a little bit more. See it? See that? And there you have it. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we're going to do our red lipstick. And as I said, it's the Moisturizing Lip Crayon Tint by JB. And there you have it. And you know, you guys, so you know, you guys, I gotta bounce it up, and there you guys have it. So I wanted to give you guys a closer look on what it looks like. Close my eyes a little bit, and there you have it. Another great video. Okay, another great video. So again, if you guys like my colors, if you guys like anything that I'm doing on my page, if you like this video, just go ahead and comment below. Let me know what you think. I am going to do something different in about a week or so, but I will throw hints every now and then. But I'm going to do something different with makeup a little bit to show y'all, you guys, I can expand. I just like to do my makeups a certain way, but yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for all your support, everything. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at QueenMartin305. Yes, that's new. I got 2 pages going. And then you guys can also subscribe. Drop me a little message. Let me know you liked the video. Give the video a thumbs up. And that's pretty much it. So until next time, my slay queens and kings, have a beautiful, beautiful Mother's Day. To all my slay kings, treat your moms like queens. To all my queens, have a beautiful day. God bless.